Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about the today's and now function. So today's now function are used to get the date of the particular day. So what I'll do is I'll just type equal to today, press tab, enter. So it will give the today's date and I'll just drag till bottom. So today date is filled till bottom, and another way of doing is I can write equal to now, press tab, enter. So it will also give the today's date for me, and I can change the format also. What I'll do is to change the format I can go and change to long date, so it will give the long date, or short date, so it will give the short date. And if I press on journal, so it is all changed. So the best ways to get short date or long date. So that's a quick wrap up about today's function, how can we use today's function. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.